Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Mrs. Sophia Suhail is here. Class 9, unit number 6, exercise 6.3, and question number 1. Fifth part I will do from this video because the previous parts I have done in the last video. Okay. So, fifth one I will write over here and I will try to solve as much next possible from me as I can do now at this time in this short video. Okay. And in this question, in this part specifically, they have given in the fraction form, but if you observe properly, so they have given numerator also a complete expression and denominator also a complete expression, and we have to check that whether the numerator also arranged properly, yes, and denominator also arranged properly, yes. Okay, now before solving, what we will do, we will make the factors of the first term and the third term over here separately. Okay, so let's try. 4x6 can be factorized in exactly two equal parts. 4 2 2s are, x6 will be x3 and x3. So it will become 2x cube whole square. Okay, next term is 9y6. We need two exactly same factors. So 9 is factorized as 3 3s are. Okay, y6 as y3, y3. So in the whole square form, it is 3y cube whole square. Okay, so write down here. So our numerator is complete. First term is 2x cube whole square. Square. And last term is 3y cube square. Minus 2 times the first term and the last term or third term. Okay. So after that, we will solve the numerator later. Okay. A denominator later. First solve the numerator completely so you can focus on one expression and solve the one expression till the last completely. This is my suggestion only. You can do both simultaneously also. So the next term, what will happen? That this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. It can be equal to a minus b. What is your a? This is your a. And minus, okay, b 3y cube whole square. In this video, sorry, I forgot to tell you about to verify. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12, x cube, y cube. So you have to verify the middle term also. All terms justified, then you go to the formula making. Formula completed. Now come to the denominator term. First term 9x4. It can be factorized in two equal terms as 9 as 3 3s are, x4 as x square. So the whole square become like this, and the last term, this one, this is done. Last term 16 y4 factorize into same terms. 16 as 4 4s are, y4 as y square whole square. So now the first term is changed to here 3x square whole square, and last term is 4y square whole square. Because the central term is plus, so write down plus 2 times. Write down first term and the last term. Now verify whether it is giving you the same answer. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Number is okay. X square, y square, variable also okay. So perfect, we can go to the next step. When this equation satisfied, so after that close it in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So what is our a? Our a is this one, 3x square. What is our b? B is this one, 4y square. Middle sign is plus. Whole square is done. At this step, we can take the square root over here, or from the start also we can carry the square root. Okay, whatever is your choice, you can make accordingly. Take square root. So square root of this one, 2x cube minus 3y cube whole square by 3x square plus 4y square whole square. Square cancel and it will become plus minus 2x cube minus 3y cube divide by 3x square plus 4y square. Okay, so this is finished over here. Before going to the next part, let me revise over here once again what I did. That numerator I solved separately. In the numerator, first term factorize in a whole square, last term factorize in a whole square. Okay, write down the first term in the square form, last term in the square form, and middle term with the same sign minus 2 times first term, second term, and close in the whole square form. Same is done with the denominator, first term change in square form, last term change in whole square form, and then this one plus, so follow the plus sign, 2 times a into b plus b square. So close the identity like this one, and taking square root, the square and square cancel with the square root, and plus minus, this is your final answer. Okay, so this is the part number 6, and in these type of question, if you need to find out the whole square form, so I tell you already, let me revise the identity, that a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square must be satisfied. Then you can change this into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. If the equation or the given expression is not in this form, so we have to change this to bring it into this form. Okay, so the given expression have only two terms. There is a first term having whole square, so first we will open the square. So when you are opening the square, we are getting three terms, so then we can combine with this one to get our required result. So let's start. A plus b whole square will be open as a square plus 2a into b plus b square. Okay, first term is x plus 2, first term into second term, and second term is 1 over x. Minus 4 x minus 1 over x, keep it as it is once. X square plus x and x cancel, plus 2 left, plus 1 over x square. Minus 4 times x minus 1 over x. Now we can take this expression as the other variable to make our equation into little simple form. So let x minus 1 over x as you can say as a. Now squaring on both sides, because we want x square plus 1 over x square, we can change in that one form. So when we take square on both side, write it once again, square on both side. Now open the square as a minus b whole square. A square minus 2a into b, a is x, 1 over x, b plus b whole square. Try to understand once again, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this one, first term I take as a, second term I take as b. Equal sign, then a square will be written as a square. And now x and x cancel, this will become x square minus 2 plus 1 over x square equals to a square. We can combine these two terms, x square plus 1 over x square, a square. This minus 2 I can shift over here. Okay, so this formation I can obtain over here also by joining these two terms together. So let's join them. X square plus 1 over x square plus 2 minus 4 times x minus 1 over x. And now I can replace the values. Okay, putting values which we are supposing, like this is equal to a and this will be equals to this. So the equation will become a square plus 2 minus 4a. Be careful that I change this with this and this with a. Okay, it's better to put the brackets first and then remove the brackets. So a square plus 2 and plus 2 will become plus 4 minus 4a square. At this step, this expression is much easy and simplified form, but now before taking the square root, before making the factors, first we have to arrange it in the descending or ascending power of the variable. So let's arrange. This is our first term, a square. So middle term will be this, because power is 2, power is 1, and this is constant. So it will be written in the last. At this step, now we can do the factorization. Factorization. Till here, what we have done, we make our expression little easier to make it means okay for factorization. Okay, make it comfortable for factorization. So the factor of a means whole square. This is the whole square of clearly a now, and so many times we have done now, so you can easily understand that 4 is a number which is equal to square of 2. Now middle term, minus 2 times a into the last term, verify minus 2 to the 4a. Yeah, it's okay. So we can apply the formula like first term minus, or minus, second term 2 whole square. At this time taking square root. Okay, taking square root, we can take the square root now. A minus 2 whole square is equal to plus minus a minus 2. So our answer is plus minus a minus 2, but we are solving the question with x, so it means that we have to go back to the variable x. So replacing our value which we have supposed, what was our value? A was equals x minus 1 over x. So replace this value plus minus x minus 1 over x minus 2. So this will be the final answer in this case. You can keep it as it is. Okay, thank you so much. Inshallah, I will try to solve the next few more cases in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.